So friends, Samsung's next generation Galaxy S flagship will be unveiled on January 22. As we are inching towards the launch date, speculation surrounding the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus and Galaxy S25 Ultra are heating up. Most recently, an leaked retail listing from Europe has hinted at the colors, memory options and price of the trio. The Galaxy S25 is set to come in 128GB, 256GB and 512GB variants, while the Galaxy S25 Plus may lack the 128GB model. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to pack up to 1TB storage. So friends, 91 Mobile Indonesia spotted the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus and Galaxy S25 Ultra on a European retailer's database with possible pricing, color options and storage variant for the European market. As per the screenshots of the listing shared by the publications, the vanilla and plus variants of the lineup will be available in icy blue, mint navy and silver color options. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to come in titanium black, titanium grey and titanium silver blue color options. As per the post, the upcoming handset will feature a dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X display with 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10 Plus support. The display could have a peak brightness of 2600 nits. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is tipped to run on Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset and it is said to be available in 3 RAM and storage configuration that are 12GB plus 256GB, 16GB plus 512GB and 16GB plus 1TB. It is said to come with support for 45W wired charging as well as 25W wireless charging. This would be an upgrade over the 15W wireless charging speed offered by the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and it is set to pack a quad rear camera setup comprising a 200MP primary camera, a 10MP 3x telephoto camera and a 50MP 5x telephoto camera and an upgraded 50MP ultra wide camera. It could feature a 5000 mAh battery also. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.